The following video is a Bridgeport Series 2 vertical milling machine. This is a 4 horsepower boxway heavy duty machine. This specific unit is in very good condition. We're going to run a brief video demonstration for you today. First thing we'll do is we'll run the spindle. That's 1400, 2000, 3500 top speed, nice and smooth. Okay, what we'll do is we'll show this unit has power feeds on your left and right, in and out on your Y, and on your knee, and then on your quill. So it actually has 4 power feeds. What we'll do is first is we'll show we're going to show the table feed first. That's your longitudinal. You can switch directions. Now your Y, you're in and out. Now back the other way. Now you switch into power feed on your knee, and your control is through here. So let's go up. You can vary the speed right here, faster, slower. Switch directions. Now we're going to go down on the knee. And your rapid. We'll shut the knee power feed off. Now this one here also has your power feed on your quill. Your quill feeds manually, but if you want to do power feed, you turn it on, you engage the clutch, and then you can push down, and you can vary the speed, or you can slow it down. Speed it up, slow it down. Now we're going to go back and up. Now it's up in home position. You disengage the clutch so you can manually use your quill. Restop your brake. Again, the following video is a Bridgeport Series 2 vertical milling machine.